Hello friends, welcome in my tutorial. Today we learn the user defined type. So first, what is user defined type declaration? User defined type declaration means C language allow us to define identify that would represent the existing data type. It means what? C language allows us to define new name of existing data type, and this existing data type identifier can later be used on declare variable. It means this user defined data type identifier is nothing, just a new name of existing data type. Existing data type means integer, float, character, string, so on so. Then this is the syntax of type def. Type def means type definition. Type def is a keyword in C language, and the syntax of user defined type declaration. So first, type def is a keyword in C language used to define user defined data type, and type is existing data type like integer, float, character, and identifier is a new name of existing data type. Most important thing, remember here that a new type is only a new name but not a data type. It means we don't create any new data type in C language, but just we rename the existing data type. Okay. Now we do practically. So for example, I use the keyword type def and integer equal to roll number. Here type def is a keyword which is used for user defined type declaration. Integer is a data type in C language, and roll number is nothing but rename of this integer. Then I take another variable, first type def, then float, then I take one variable percentage. Okay. Now here I define two variable, integer and float name, but type definition name is roll number and percentage. Now I initialize the value in this variable. So first is my roll number equal to student 1. Okay, I like this student 1. Okay, it is good. Student yes, student 1 equal to 1. It means what? Integer student 1 equal to 1. This roll number is nothing but a new name of this integer. Then semicolon, then next percentage, then percentage equal to marks equal to 95.6. okay. So here I define two variable, roll number and percentage, which is a user defined data type, and then I initialize the value 1 to the student 1. Student 1 means what? Integer. Then 95.6 in marks means what? This float, nothing else. Now I try to print this value, printf, then percentage d for integer, and first I print the most important thing is do not print here the roll number, because roll number is the new name of this integer. Then I print stdu1. okay, then I run my program. Look at this, 1 is come here. If I try to print roll number, then it generate the error. Why? Because roll number is nothing but a new name of integer. It means then I try to print percentage of student 1, then I use printf percentage f for float, then marks, and I define /n for new line. Then I try to run. Yes, successfully. Look at this output. 1 is for student 1 and 95.5999, because float by default take a 6 precisions after point is a marks. So this is the use of the type def. It means user defined data type. Okay, now are you clear with this point? But our next point is here. We do all things practically. Okay, this is the another example of type defs, nothings. The main use of this user defined type declaration is creating a meaningful data type name for increasing the readability of the program, nothing else. This is the main use of type def keyword. Then another user defined data type is enumerated data type by ANSI standard. And this is the syntax of enum data type, or we can also call this enum is a user defined data type. How? We learn next. Here enum is the keyword, and after enum this is identifier. This identifier hold value 1, value 2 up to value n. Okay. So we do this practically. So first I remove my previous program. Okay. First I use the keyword enum. Enum equal to month. Month is a identifier. Then okay. Then I use January, February, March, then April, June, July. Okay, it's okay for us. It means enum is a user defined data type which contain the identifier month, and this month contain the all the value. This month contain the all the value, and by default data type of enum is integer. Please keep this thing in mind. By default data type of enum is integer. It means what? Default value of this first constant is 0. The first value of this constant is 0. We can also say the all are constant in user defined data type month, and this month is a identifier. Now we use this all constant in our program after main. So first what? Enum and month. Okay, then I use m. Then m equal to January. It means what? I assign the one constant in m. It means I assign any particular constant to this m variable. Now I try to print this m. Percentage d and m. It contain value 0. Look at it, 0 is come here. Then next 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So if I print FAB, then it contain the value 1. I also change this value manually. For example, I define value here 1, Okay, then I print here January. Output will be 1. Okay, then February output is 2. Okay, but by default value is 0. If I am assign value in March 5, it is also possible. MARCS. Now it give us value 5. If I assign the value 5 here, then next April became 6, June become 7, and July become 8. Now I prove. Then April, and it gives the 6. Okay. Now I think, are you clear in this both point? User defined type declaration. User defined type declaration possible in two ways. First is the type def keyword. In this, using type def keyword, we rename our existing data type, and the second is the enumeration. In enumeration, enum keyword is used. After enum keyword, you use the identifier which hold the value v1 up to vn. Then we use this value in our program, and this is the example of enum. Now I think, are you clear? Okay, bye bye.